guys, it's back with your boy Potty13, and today me and my mum are going to be spotting lightning strikes. I posted the other videos on YouTube. She isn't very happy with me, but I do not care. Whoa! Jesus God, you're stepping really loud, bro. He's that like that. He's like this. He's like this. Oh, pow! Ow. Stepped on your toesy. Like, goddamn nuclear, man. It's like, what? Oh. Oh, damn it, bro. Hey, can you check the weather for me? Go on your phone, check the weather. Now.
Scattered thunderstorms.
This ain't a thunderstorm, it's a lightning storm. Last time, we had loads of thunder. This time, we have loads of lightning. We've already saw 4 lightning strikes. I said the first goal doesn't count. I said that bird's scary, bro. I thought that was a lightning strike. Yeah, now we got it, bro. Now we got it, bro. It's a bit windy. Why are you putting that down? Why? What are we gonna do? It's not like the height of a tree, is it? Yeah, I think if we were to have a lightning strike around here, we're dead, because look how much trees we have around us. And that is our house, and that is our trees. And then over there, like over our next door neighbours, there's loads. So they can go on the fence. Look, they can go on the fence there, and then they can go on the bricks, and then they can go on the bricks, and they can go through the glass and in our house. Boom, we're dead. Smart. I said the first go. It said that we're having 31 today. I have a cold. We have a thunderstorm. We saw a low helicopter.
Oh yeah.
I catch that on camera.
Caught.
I caught that. That's
Fort lightning.
What's that?
It hits the ground.
Big lightning. That hit in the car park, didn't it?
I don't know where it hit.
That hit in our car park. Imagine we have like a little tornado.
Hopefully not.
I love that. Buskers. It's coming from over there more than over there. Mum's counting. Going all the way back. Birdie. Count them. God's sake! Where are they at now, bro? Better not start hammering it down. I just want it to thunder. Yeah, please. So I'll put you there. I have to remember. What is the weather today in Wigston?
It's 28 degrees and mostly sunny in Wigston Magna.
Sunny, is it? Oh God, can you see my face? It said sunny. Look what it says. It says 90% thunderstorms, but then this hour it says thunder. It says sun. Is this sun to you? Did you count?
Yeah, I lost count.
So in today's video, we'll be lightning tracking. Okay. We go into the lightning tracker. Lightning tracker. So, Wigston have apparently not got any at the minute. Let's just see. Nottingham has got red. Arnold, Birmingham. Leicester's got none. I want to have one in Leicester, that's where we live. Come on, bro. Alright guys, my battery's low, so I'm gonna cut it here. Thank you for watching the thunderstorm.